Hi, it's Ella from Stillwell Ford, and today I'm going to be reviewing the limited edition FX4 that is modelled around the highly popular Ranger XLT. This exciting vehicle offers great value for money, as it has been my experience that every time Ford releases one of these special vehicles, they always come with a host of value-added spec that would otherwise cost a lot more to purchase if you tried to do them separate as an add-on. So let's have a closer look. The FX4 is offered in three versions, made up of either manual or auto, and either in a 3.2 or 2 litre bi-turbo. The three options are summarised as the following: 3.2 litre 6-speed manual 4x4, the 3.2 litre 6-speed auto 4x4, and the 10-speed 4x4 2 litre bi-turbo automatic. It's worth noting that both the FX4 and the XLT from model year 21.75 now come as a standard with adaptive cruise control, and that you no longer need to get the optional tech pack to get this feature. You can, however, still option it in if you are after the other feature that it offers, that being the semi-auto park assist. What else do you get on the FX4 over and above the XLT? On the exterior, 18-inch alloy wheels in the ebony black, the extended leg sports bars in matte black, the FX4 mesh grille in ebony black, the ebony black exterior mirrors, door and tailgate handles and fender features, darkened by LED headlamps, the unique FX4 side decals, and the 3D badge on the tailgate. Moving to inside of the vehicle, you get the premium ebony black soft top instrument panel similar to the Wildtrak, tinted graphite accents on the instrument panel and door trim, leather accented seats with the embroidered FX4 logo, unique FX4 branded front carpet mats, contrast race red stitching throughout the cabin, including on the instrument panel, steering wheel, gear shifter, centre console, seat trim, door trim, and floor mats. The Ranger FX4 is offered in a choice of 5 exterior colours, which complement the exterior and interior styling. They are Arctic White, True Red, Shadow Black, Medial Grey, and Aluminium Silver. The best part about all of these extras is the price. If you had to individually try an option in all these extras, they would cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Not to mention that a lot of the cosmetic finishes you would not be able to order as an accessory or extras, even if you wanted to. However, the FX4 offers all of this just for the marginal price of only $2,500 more than the standard XLT. So really, the only catch is the limited stock. If you want to secure one of these value for money Rangers, then hurry into Stillwell Ford and secure one of these few allocated stock cars that we still have available.